Two guns situated at the top of a hill of height 10 meter fire one shot each with the speed of 5 root 3 meter per second at some interval of time. One fires horizontally and the other fires upward at an angle of 60 degree with the horizontal. The shots collide at a point P. Okay, we have to find the time interval between the firing, that is we have to find out some time at which, or the time difference at which the firing occurs. And second, we have to calculate is the coordinate. Okay, take the origin of the coordinate system as the foot of the hill. Suppose I consider a hill over here which is at a height of 10 meter. Okay, now the height is already 10 meter over here. Two shots are fired. The one is fired at this angle. Okay, यहाँ पे जो भी एंगल है, okay, the angle over here is given as 60 degree with the horizontal. Okay, so basically one shot is fired at an angle of 60 degree. Okay, and another is shot at horizontally in this direction. Okay, both of them are shot with the same speed, that is 5 root 3. Okay, if you read over here, it is given as 5 root 3. The height of the hill is 10 meter. They collide at point P. Both of them will perform the projectile motion. और यहाँ पे ये ऐसे जाएगा, यहाँ पे it will collide like this. Okay, suppose they collide at point P. Okay, whatever is the point P, let the coordinates be x and y. This is the coordinate that we have to find out, taking the foot of the hill as the coordinate axis. So if I take this as a coordinate axis, bottom में यहाँ पे रहेगा coordinate 0,0. यहाँ पे initially it will be equal to x में 0 है, and at the y axis the height is given as 10, or it will be equal to positive 10. Okay, if I write down the equation of the first body which is thrown at 60 degree. Okay, so let that body be A. So for body A, after a certain point, suppose after time t, it reaches, the first body A reaches point P after time t. So its x coordinate, let it be equal to x1, will be equal to its x coordinate, let it be equal to x1, will be equal to, over here it will be in the horizontal direction, since there is no acceleration horizontal में यहाँ पे velocity will remain constant. So it will be equal to 5 root 3 into cos 60. Okay, 5 root 3 into cos 60 into certain time t. ठीक है, इसको सपोज कि टाइम t लगता है. ठीक है, so it means that it will be equal to 5 root 3 cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2. So cos 60 is 1 by 2 into t. This is equal to x1. And similarly y1, the y1 after the coordinate, now initially it is at a height 10, तो 10 तो मुझे ऑलरेडी लेना पड़ेगा यहाँ पे. ओके, इनिशियली it is at a height 10. So over here height over here y1 is equal to 10. Okay, and plus it will be equal to initial velocity along the y-axis will be equal to 5 root 3 sin 60. Okay, it will be equal to 5 root 3 sin 60, which will be equal to root 3 divided by 2. Okay, into, that is ut plus half at square or minus half gt square. This will be the straightforward equation. तो यहाँ पे if I substitute the values, it will be equal to 10 plus 5 root 3, it will be equal to 15 divided by 2 t minus half g t square, or if I substitute the value of g, it will be equal to half 10 into t square. Okay, let this be equal to y1. Now these are the coordinates of the first body when it reaches point P. Okay, now this is the general equation. Okay, this is the general equation. Now suppose after time interval t naught, the body B is released. Okay, so अगर first body travel कर रहा है for time t, the second body is traveling for time t minus t naught. Okay, it is traveling for t naught time lesser as compared to the first body. So for the second body, if I write down for second body, for body 2 or for body B, the x2, the general equation, will be equal to the velocity in the x direction. The velocity in the x direction, now it is projected horizontally. Okay, one gun fires horizontally and the other fires at an angle of 60 degree. So since it is fired horizontally, it will be equal to simply equal to 5 root 3 in the x direction. In the y direction it will be equal to 0. Let the time taken be equal to t minus t naught. Okay, now y2 will be equal to, now it will have the same equation 10 plus, now initial velocity along the y direction is 0 for the second body, तो यहाँ पे सिर्फ बचेगा हाफ और माइनस हाफ g t minus t naught the whole square. Okay, let this term be as it is. Let these are the coordinates for the second body. Now it is given that after a certain time both of them meet at the same point. It means that x1 will be equal to x2. If I zoom out, okay, x1 will be equal to x2 and y1 will be equal to y2. Let us equate the x1 and x2 over here. x1 is equal to x2, so 5 root 3, okay, divided by 2 into t will be equal to 5 root 3 t minus t naught. Okay, so 5 root 3 will get cancelled out over here. Okay, so t will be equal to 2t minus 2t naught. So basically t naught will be equal to t naught, if I take it on the left hand side, it will be 2t naught is equal to t. Okay, let it be as it is. Okay, t is equal to 2 times t naught. Okay, t will be equal to 2 times t naught. Now when I substitute y1 is equal to y2, okay, I will equate y1 is equal to y2 over here. Okay, so basically 10 plus 15 by 2 t minus half, that is 5 t square, will be equal to 10 plus minus half or minus, if I substitute the values over here, it will be minus 5 t minus t naught square. Okay, now over here 10 and 10 will get cancelled out. Instead of t I will substitute 2t naught, so it will be equal to 15 t naught minus, if I substitute 2 t naught over here, it will be equal to 20 t naught square will be equal to minus 5, okay, into t minus t naught, so it will be 2 t naught, so it will be simply equal to 5 t naught square. Okay, it will simply be equal to 5 t naught square. So 15 t naught will be equal to 15 t naught square. So basically if t naught square and t naught and 15 will get cancelled out, the t naught will come out to be 1 second. So the time interval between two shots is given as 1 second. Okay, the time interval between two shots will be given as 1 second. So now t over here will be equal to 2 t naught, which will be equal to 2 seconds. Now I know the value of t. Okay, let us find out the coordinates. When I substitute in this term, okay, in terms of x, it will be equal to, now the t over here is equal to 2. Okay, t over here is equal to 2 seconds. So when I substitute the value over here, it will be equal to 5 root 3. Okay, so the x coordinate over here is equal to 5 root 3. Let us substitute the value in the value of y, okay, in the coordinate of y. So it will be equal to y1 is equal to 10 plus 15 minus, okay, 10 plus, okay, 10 15 minus, okay, over here it will be equal to, when I substitute t as 2 second, it will be 2 square, which will be equal to 4, it will get cancelled out, 15 minus 20. So basically when I calculate the value, it will be minus 5, so y1 will come out to be 5. So now the coordinates are, x over here is 5 root 3 and y over here is 5. So the coordinates are 5 root 3 comma 5 and the time interval between two shots is given as 1 second.